Gas is $6.50 a gallon, so I'm buying the oil companies. Most people are furious, but on this channel, we don't complain about things that we can't control. We collect. Watch this video to learn exactly how to turn surging oil prices into a weekly paycheck using OXY, Occidental Petroleum. If it's good enough for Warren Buffett, it's certainly good enough for me. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop being a customer and start being a partner in the energy sector. We're going to do a buy right on OXY, the stock that Warren Buffett has been aggressively buying until Berkshire now owns about 30% of the company. Now, there's a massive difference between retail thinking and professional cash flow. A retail trader buys a stock and prays that it goes up. A professional uses a buy right like I'm going to show you. We're buying OXY today because we want to own a world-class Buffett-based asset. But we aren't just going to sit there. As soon as we buy it, we're going to immediately sell a covered call against the shares, generating a rent check the very same day. Let's check it out. And we're going to be on the live data page. I'm going to type in OXY and fetch the data. And it tells me that the current price is $61.25. I'm going to choose an expiration of this Friday, and I'm going to pay $61.25 per share and buy 100 shares. And in the blink of an eye, it shows me that the $62 call is going for $65. That means $65 gets dropped into my account right then and there. I'm putting up $61.25 to make the trade, making myself over 1% for 3 days' time. Super cool. Now, while we own the stock, we're also entitled to the dividend, which recently went up, by the way. It's like a pay raise just for being an owner. If OXY goes over $62 by Friday, cool. We sell our shares, we make $75 on the price appreciation, and we keep the $65 premium, totaling $140. If OXY stays where it is or it goes down, that's cool too. We keep our shares and we still keep the $65, and guess what? We do the same thing next week and take in more premium next week. This feels so easy, it's like cheating. It's like literally having all the answers to the big test before you take it. And by the way, some of you guys might be wondering, what if the stock goes down? Well, guess what? That's cool too. I just told you that Warren Buffett owns 30% of this company. You think a guy like Warren Buffett is going to invest in a dog company? No, I don't think so. So if I like the stock at 61, I like it at 60. I like it at 59. I love it at 55. I hope it does go down. That would be a total win. You see, you don't need $1 billion to trade like a billionaire. You just need to stop thinking like a retail customer and start thinking like a landlord. If you need more help setting this up, join me at my next live event where I walk through this step by step. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome cash flow strategies. Until next time, happy trading.